Hi! In front of me is Google Pixrl 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Following that, scroll down again and click on Vibration and Haptics. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to switch them off or on. If you decided to enable them, you can also adjust intensity for all of those options by operating the proper sliders, like ring vibration, notifications, alarm, touches, and even media. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate first, then Ring gradually to turn it on or off. When you're done, go back, scroll all the way down and click on those two switchers next to Charging Sounds and Vibration. And always show icon when in vibrate mode to manage them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!